I'm going to take you through some of the features that we get with the Lynx Whiteboard on our Clevertouch X5. Once I make a Lynx Whiteboard account that I'm signed into, I'm going to get a choice from my recent files that I have opened up on my Lynx account. At the top, I also get a choice for my files. So these are different cloud drives and etc. that I have connected to my Lynx account. As you can see, I currently have my Google Drive connected to it. I'm able to bring in different PDF files, PowerPoint files, Word files, and etc. onto my Lynx Whiteboard. If I press back out of that and I go in that three-line menu, I can navigate to options. So we can actually change the language of our Lynx Whiteboard to Irish, Spanish, and etc. We can also change the different fonts that we're going to be using when we are typing on the whiteboard with our keyboard here as well. If I tap on that plus icon, I'm able to open up a new whiteboard page. At the bottom of the page, I get 1/1. This is going to allow me to add more pages onto that whiteboard if I wish to do so. Next to that, I get my finger pointer tool. When it's selected, there's a blue line under that finger pointer tool, letting me know that that tool is currently selected. If I tap on that pen tool, the blue line is going to go under the pen tool. I'm able to access my pencil case. I'm able to change the sizes of my pens and the colors of my pens, and I'm able to start annotating on the screen. We also have different pens, like our highlighter pens. Again, we can change the color of the highlighter, and we can highlight different things on the screen. We can also use our laser pen, which is going to disappear after a few seconds on the screen. We also have different recognition tools that come with our Lynx Pro, like our text and shapes recognition tool, which is essentially going to recognize the text on the screen and is going to turn it into a font I specified in my settings. It's also going to recognize my shapes, and it's going to turn the lines into straight lines. We also have different maths tools where I can write a certain equation on the screen. I can use my finger pointer tool to select that answer, and I can reveal the answer to my class. Back into my pencil case, I also get different pens, like our rainbow pen, that anytime I lift my finger off the screen, the color of that pen is going to change. This could be very fun and useful in primary school, where the kids are going to come up to the screen and interact with the screen. I also get a choice for the animated rainbow, which is constantly going to change the color of that pen. And under that, I get a choice for my curve tool, where I can draw a line on the screen. I can use my finger pointer tool to select that line, and I can make a curve on that line. We get a choice for a T letter here as well. So it's going to give me a choice for 3 different fonts that I'm able to change with my settings icon. I'm able to tap on the screen depending on where I want to type on the screen. And I'm able to bring up my keyboard and start writing on my screen. I'm able to resize my writing, and I'm able to move it, around the screen as well. We also get a choice for our paint pot. Our paint pot is going to allow us to change the color of our background and change the color of different writings, letters, and etc. on the screen. I also get a choice for my plus icon. So with the plus icon, I'm able to bring in different content from different online sources. This is a brilliant feature that comes with the Lynx Whiteboard. I'm able to bring in different photos, videos, GIFs from different online sources like Microsoft Bing, YouTube, and etc. The useful thing about this is that it's safe search, and all the YouTube videos are going to be cleansed of ads before they're shown on the screen. So for example, I can go on Microsoft Bing and I can look up Ireland map. I can drag and drop a map of Ireland. I can resize it on the screen. We can use one of our pens to start annotating around that map and to highlight different towns and etc. on that map as well. As mentioned previously, we can bring in different GIFs to keep it more interactive for the students in class. We can also use our YouTube option, where we can drag and drop a YouTube video onto the screen. We can have that YouTube video playing at the same time while we're annotating on the screen and taking notes from that YouTube video. Here I also get a choice for a little file icon. This is going to allow me to bring in different backgrounds onto the screen, like my line paper backgrounds that I'm able to resize. It's also going to allow me to bring in different shapes, like my triangle shape, for example. It's also going to allow me to bring in different objects for different subjects like maths. I'm able to drag and drop a ruler on the screen, and I'm able to use two of my fingers to move that ruler around and to measure a certain side of that triangle. We can stamp that measurement on the screen and we can save it afterwards. We also get some AI features with our Lynx Pro. We're able to make different presentations depending on the topic and the age group. For our presentations, we can also generate different media from AI, from text, and we can also generate different paragraphs and etc. With Lynx AI as well. If I tap on that three-line menu, I get a few different choices on how I can save my presentation. I can share and print, essentially meaning that I can create a QR code that my students or my colleagues are going to be able to scan, and they're able to save the work that we've done onto their own device. Or under that, we have save as or save, meaning that I'm able to save it onto my cloud drive, my local storage, and etc.